I have a really sensitive skin. Nothing suits me. So winter becomes a nightmare for me. But here's a saver. The saver is the Ozone body lotion. It's deep nourishing, guys. Perfect blend of shea butter with essentials like aloe vera, almond oil and pentavitamin. Isn't it nice? So look at the cute packaging, guys. This is the packaging. This is a very lightweight body cream that delivers a luxurious hydrating feeling to my skin. Look at this one. It's not too runny and it's not too heavy for my skin. Perfect one. Let's try to blend it. The smell. Oh my god, the smell is awesome. You need to try this. My sensitive skin buddies, where are you? You really need to try this. This is awesome and it just vanished into my skin, guys. Apply it after shower or whenever I feel the skin is a bit dry, it needs a little bit hydration, I apply this one. And any kind of details you need about this is in the description box. I have mentioned everything, the link where to buy and my experiences about this body lotion, everything is mentioned. Do not forget to check that. Till then, keep watching my videos and buy this one, okay?